In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections on Wix. If you've ever rearranged content on a page and wanted a clean, logical flow, say moving a gallery above a contact form or shifting a testimonial block closer to your services, this is exactly what you need. We'll stick to a simple, reliable method so you can make changes confidently without breaking your layout. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see your page on the canvas. Think of each large horizontal block, like a hero banner, an about block, or a contact area, as a section. Sections stack from top to bottom, and moving them changes the order in which visitors scroll through your page. Now click the section you want to move. Be sure you're selecting the whole section, not an individual element inside it. You'll know the section is selected when you see a clear outline around the entire block and a small floating toolbar that's specific to that section. If you only see settings for a button, text box, or image, click outside that element and then click the background area of the section until the full section is highlighted. With the section selected, look for the up and down controls on that floating toolbar. These are your move arrows. Click the up arrow to shift the section higher on the page, or click the down arrow to move it lower. Each click moves the section one position at a time, so keep clicking until it lands exactly where you want it. Watch the page update instantly after each move so you can judge spacing and flow as you go. If you notice the arrows are grayed out, that usually means the section is already at the very top or bottom and can't move further. Also remember that headers and footers are fixed site areas, not regular sections, so they won't move with these controls. If elements don't appear to move with a section, it's often because they're not actually inside that section or they're pinned elsewhere on the page. A quick tip for accuracy: after moving a section, scroll the page from top to bottom to confirm the order feels natural and that spacing looks consistent. If you make a move you don't like, you can always undo and try again. That's it. Open your site in the Wix Editor, select the section, and use the up or down arrows to reposition it. With a few precise clicks, you can refine your page structure and guide visitors through your content in the order that makes the most sense.